In this video, we'll show you how to install the Plus Series roof side rails and roof rack on vehicles such as the Nissan NV200, Chevrolet City Express, Ram ProMaster City, Volkswagen ID, Buzz, Ford Transit Connect, Toyota HiAce, and many more. Let's get started. Pre-install. Open the box and remove all components and hardware. Attach the correct bases to the side rail bars. Locate the fixing points and remove the factory bolts, if present. Check the spacing between the fixing points and adjust the side rails accordingly. Start with the middle fixing point. Align the middle rubber base, then place the side rail onto it. Ensure the fixing point is visible through both holes. Insert the bolt and tighten it lightly. Do not fully tighten it yet, as adjustment is still needed. Move to the rear fixing point and repeat the same process. Align the components and lightly tighten the bolt. The rail may appear raised while installing the final bolt. This is normal. The rail is flexible. Apply gentle pressure, align it, and continue tightening. Continue tightening in the same sequence until all bolts are snug. Shake the side rails. If the vehicle moves and the bars stay in place, the installation is secure. Install the correct end caps over all fixing points. The side rail installation is now complete. If you purchase the side rails only, you can stop the video here. If your package also includes the Pro 1 roof rack crossbars, continue watching for the installation steps. Place the roof rack onto the side rails and clamp it in place. Begin tightening the bolt to secure the clamp. To install the load stoppers, peel back the rubber strip and slide the metal piece into the slot. Position the load stopper body over the metal piece, then insert and tighten the hand knob to secure it. Insert the key and lock the head unit. The installation is now complete. Your Plus Series roof side rails and roof rack are securely installed and ready to use. For more vehicle-specific roof rack systems and installation videos, visit PawAuto.com. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.